Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the solutions feature which you can get on the Google Ads platform. So solutions is a feature which we use specifically with scripts. So with here, Google has introduced a new section called solutions where they have built out some predefined scripts which can be used for different scenarios. Let's have a look at this, guys, how you can make use of them. So once we are logged into our Google Ads account, we can go to the tools section where we can go to our bulk actions, where we will find solutions out here. So these are going to be, so from here you can make a selection of the kind of solutions you want. So there are 6 types of predefined scripts which Google has automatically created, which you can apply on your Google Ads account and get some information. Like an account summary script can be used to get a report on the performance of our Google Ads account. Okay. Similarly, ad performance can generate a Google spreadsheet, which will give us idea about how our ads are performing in our campaigns. Similarly, an account anomaly detector is going to be a solution which is used for finding out if there is something not so something unusual which happens in our account's performance and it deviates from the usual stuff, then that gets indicated out here and shared with us. Similarly, you can also make a solution for link checker wherein this particular script will check whether all the landing pages are working properly or not and they are not throwing a 404 error. Similarly, you can have another one which is for flexible budgets where it will dynamically adjust our campaign budgets daily with a custom distribution which we have set up over here. So, and then you have a automated list created for negative list as well. So you can give some negative keywords which then the script will automatically apply on different campaigns. Let's have a look at this, guys. So let's say we are doing it for negative keyword list. So you can give it a name here. Then you can add your negative keywords over here one at a time. You can also give negative placements, URL out here, and you can then choose the frequency. How often do you want this to be checked and applied? So you can do that. And then you can apply this particular script. So the script will go ahead and apply all these negative keywords and placements on our campaigns in the account wherever it will be needful. So this way we can use the solutions feature, which has some predefined scripts, automated scripts created and given to us by Google for various reasons. You can use them. Another is ad performance. So here we can, this particular sheet will give us an data about how our ads are performing. So we can just provide our email address and we can give the frequency. How often do we want the script to check our account for ad performance data? And we can set it up and we can see the data when it is generated. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how you can make use of the solutions feature which has been given. Look at the link checker as well, where you can choose what all actions you want to take, like you want to check the ads URLs, you want to check keywords URLs. So you can check those as well. And then you can set up all this information and then save it. So the the particular script will only look at how these URLs are responding, if they are giving proper response codes or not. Okay, are they performing, are they functioning properly or not? That is what the script will check and give us a result on that. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how solutions can be used on the Google Ads platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.